Satnam, everyone. It's Effie. What a journey this has been. The ups, the downs, the all-arounds this past year. It has been such an incredible year of so much change. Change from the inside out, changes in all areas of my life that I could not have imagined just over a year ago. I would say Salimah delivered. She promises transformation. She promises impact. She promises leading or leadership, and I would say absolutely delivered on all of that. I'm so grateful to Salimah, to Shaliza, to Faye, to Angela, to the whole Yogavision team. This has been better than psychiatry, I think. And so I definitely recommend everyone who can take this course, even if you're not into yoga. I went into this thinking I would learn the mechanics of teaching. I would figure out how to teach a class. What I've learned is that in order to be a good teacher, I also need to be a great student. I need to learn about myself, and I need to learn about others, so that when I give permission to myself, I can truly give permission to others to go through their journey in their own way and learn what they need to learn, because all of our journeys are different, and that's the way it should be. I thank you. It doesn't seem enough for all that I've received out of this course, and I'm not sure how I'm going to wake up on Saturdays and not think about or anticipate the wisdom and the knowledge and the fun and the camaraderie and the community that I've gotten used to. But I guess I'll have to make do. I also want to thank everyone in the class. Your questions, your thoughts, your input, your support have been so instrumental for everything that I have experienced, and I will take those experiences with me forward. I am so honored to have been part of this group, and I am so grateful, and I cheer all of you on. I know you're going to be fantastic in your own journeys and find your own way, and I am grateful that I was able to be a part of that for a moment in time. Thank you. Satnam.
Satnam. Melissa here from South Florida, and reflecting on the last 15 months of my KYTT journey. There's so much. I could go on for a long time about what I've learned about myself, what I've learned about others. I guess that I can just start by saying it was the most transformative experience of my life. This ancient sacred practice that has allowed me to, from a physical standpoint, calm my nervous system, start to balance my glandular system, and bringing me to levels of awareness that I never understood were possible, allowing me to see the world differently, and especially myself differently, with so much love and compassion, accepting myself exactly as I am every day, trusting and allowing and accepting things as they are, instead of always trying to make things different. So learning to let go of that control was something that over the course of this experience, have come to fruition. So those things are, very easy to say, but very, very hard to put into practice. And it takes time and so much guidance and wisdom, which was provided by Salimah. So much love and so much gratitude for you, to you, for you, your wisdom, your leadership, your guidance, the gifts that you bring forward in the ways that you connect people from across this globe into this loving and supportive community where we're all watching each other heal and grow and evolve and shine. So beautiful. and to Shaliza for her knowledge and her wisdom about informing ourselves on how to cope with our own traumas, but then also how to support our students as they might be progressing through some of these same elements as well. And to Angela for all your tech support and administrative support along the way. Thank you for always being there. And for Faye for being a mentor during my time here at KYTT. Thank you. And definitely Effie, my cohort. We began this program together and we'll finish it together. And it's been a wonderful journey to experience with you. And thanking also all of the other students, past and future graduates that I've been able to have the pleasure of sharing with, pleasure of watching personal inquiries that allowed me to understand all the different facets of one's life and journey that Kundalini Yoga can impact, support, enhance. And I will always carry all of you and all of these experiences with me in my heart. This journey has become part of me now. And I'm so incredibly grateful for every bit of it, even the hard stuff, especially the hard stuff. Thank you so much.